Imagine being able to create a complete UGC video for your product, with a realistic character, speaking naturally, as if you hired a professional influencer, but without filming anything, without equipment, and for less than the price of a coffee. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using the tools inside Higgsfield. Why UGC matters right now. Most successful ads today rely on UGC. Why? It feels natural. It feels honest. It doesn't look like a typical ad. People trust it more, and it boosts conversions dramatically. Marketing has changed, and today, AI can give you the same results as real influencers, without needing one at all. Before we start, here on Profit Studio, my goal is simple. I want you to use AI for things that have real value, things that help you earn, build projects, and improve your skills. Not like some of the random videos you see online. Make a penguin drive a car, or a cow DJ at a nightclub. Funny and entertaining. But the last time someone made money from that? Never. Here on Profit Studio, we use AI for things that can genuinely change your life. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a realistic AI avatar, how to merge your product with it, how to make it talk with a natural voice, and how to turn all of that into a complete UGC video ready to publish. All inside one platform, no complicated software needed.
For this tutorial, I'm using a tactical fitness vest. It's a popular product in the fitness niche, and it's been trending for a while. It looks great on camera and works perfectly for UGC-style videos. Let's start by creating our avatar. Before we generate our avatar, there's something important to keep in mind. A lot of people try to recreate real celebrities, but I don't recommend doing that. Using the likeness of a real person can create copyright and usage issues, especially if you plan to run ads or publish commercial content. So instead, we'll create a completely original character. Now let's jump into Higgsfield. Then open the image section. Here, you'll find a full list of models you can use, and honestly, Higgsfield offers some of the strongest image generation models right now. For this tutorial, I'm choosing Nano Banana. You can pick any model you like, but Nano Banana has one big advantage. It keeps the same face, the same identity, and the same features, even when you create multiple images of the same character. That consistency is extremely important for UGC-style videos. So once we open Nano Banana, we type our prompt. In my case, I'll describe a male athletic model suitable for a tactical fitness vest. You can describe any style you want. Aspect ratio and quality settings. After typing the prompt, choose your aspect ratio. Because we're creating UGC content for social media, I'll select 9:16, the vertical format. The quality. You can choose 4K, but it's not really necessary. Most social media platforms compress your videos anyway, so 1K is faster, lighter, and more than enough for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Finally, I select unlimited generations, so I can iterate and get as many variations as I want. Then simply click Generate. These are the results I got after generating the images. I received multiple variations of the same character, consistent face, clean details, and different lighting styles. And after comparing them, I decided to choose this one. It has the best overall look and matches exactly the style I want for this tutorial. Step 2. Now let's add the product to our avatar. Inside Higgsfield, you don't actually need to download the image and re-upload it. Just hover your mouse over the picture you want to edit, and you'll see an Edit button appear at the top. Click it, and Higgsfield automatically loads the image into the editing panel, right where the prompt box is. After that, I simply uploaded the product, the tactical fitness vest, and wrote this prompt. Place the tactical fitness vest naturally on the avatar's torso. Make sure the straps and shadows align realistically. Keep the character's face and body shape unchanged. The prompt alone handled everything. And here's the result. The vest sits naturally on the torso, the straps blend in cleanly, and the lighting matches the scene perfectly. Everything looks realistic without affecting the character's face or proportions. Generate variations. Pose plus environment. Now that the product is placed correctly on our avatar, it's time to create multiple variations of the same character, different poses and different environments. This step is crucial because it gives you natural, real-life moments, the kind of images that make UGC feel authentic. And the best part? You don't need to generate poses first and environments later. Just describe both in a single prompt and the model handles everything. Example 1. Keep the same avatar and face. Place him in a real gym environment wearing the tactical fitness vest. Show a natural workout pose, such as lifting weights or adjusting the vest. Use realistic lighting and shadows. Example 2. Keep the same avatar and face. Place him outdoors during sunset, running or warming up while wearing the tactical fitness vest. Use warm cinematic lighting and natural body motion. Here are the results. Clean, consistent, and natural looking. Exactly what we need for UGC. Now, before moving to the next step, let me show you a few more variations I generated to give you an idea of how flexible this workflow is. Locker room after workout, CrossFit area, urban training, outdoor concrete, trail running in nature, stretching, warm-up pose, close-up shot. So now we have a full set of realistic UGC scenes, different poses, different environments, but the same avatar and the same product. These images will become the building blocks for our final ad. Now, let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Creating the UGC video. After finishing the images, now we're going to turn them into a real UGC video. Inside Higgsfield, go to the video section, where you'll find a large collection of video models. Each model in Higgsfield gives a different style, but in this tutorial, I'm using Google's Veo 3 because it provides the most natural motion and the best clarity. You can also try the other models and choose the one you like. After selecting Veo 3, a very simple interface will appear. Add the avatar image wearing the product I chose, the first image, the running shot, and added it to the Start Frame field. Write the prompt in the text box. Keep the same male avatar. Place him running on a city street at sunrise. He is wearing the tactical fitness vest in coyote brown. Use dynamic motion, slightly forward lean running posture. Realistic lighting, natural shadows. Adjust the video settings. Model, Veo 3, already selected. Quality, I always choose 1080p instead of 720p to get the clearest results for social media. Aspect ratio, select 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Duration, I chose 8 seconds, which is ideal for a short, clean action shot. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds, and here is the result. The result looks really natural. The avatar is running smoothly. The posture, arm movement, and forward lean all look realistic. You can also notice the subtle footstep rhythm and the light camera motion, which makes the clip feel like real UGC footage shot on the street. Overall, it looks clean, dynamic, and perfect for an ad. Next scene, forest jogging. Now I'm creating a second UGC scene, this time on a forest trail. I simply upload the forest image of the avatar and use this prompt. Prompt I use: same avatar, running on a forest trail wearing the green tactical vest. Golden hour lighting, clean athletic posture. Add depth and cinematic soft shadows. I hit generate, and here's the result. The motion looks smooth, the lighting matches the forest atmosphere, and the vest blends naturally with the environment. A clean, cinematic forest running shot. Now I'm creating a new UGC scene, but this time the avatar actually talks. I upload the park image, add a short prompt to make him speak and move naturally, and hit generate. Let's take a look at the result.
It's such a nice evening to be out here.
Now let's create another talking scene, this time inside the CrossFit gym. I load the avatar with the tactical vest, place him in the same CrossFit environment, and give him a simple speaking line about the product. Nothing complicated, just a natural talking motion with light hand gestures. And here's the result.
I really like this tactical vest. It's comfortable, durable, and the adjustable straps make it perfect for intense workouts.
The avatar speaks directly to the camera with clean lip sync, smooth upper body movement, and natural lighting from the gym environment. It feels like a real athlete giving a quick testimonial about the vest. Exactly the kind of moment you'd want in a UGC-style ad.
I really like this tactical vest. It's comfortable, durable, and the adjustable straps make it perfect for intense workouts.
Hold the tension in the rope. We're initiating the slow zoom out now. Maintain that focus.
And that's the real power of AI. You can now create full UGC videos in minutes, test unlimited variations, skip filming, skip influencers, and still get better results. It's faster, smarter, and 10 times more affordable. And this is why I use Higgsfield. Everything is in one place. Images, editing, product placement, avatars, lip sync, and Veo 3 animation. No switching tools, no complicated workflow. Just pure creative speed. If you want to try it, the link is below. And if you want more tools, more tutorials, and more ways to grow your content, leave me a comment and hit subscribe. This is Profit Studio. Let's build something amazing.